corruption. The first thing when you land by air into Bombay is the hectares
But
of
it's
slums.
not an art film.
Yeah, hectares of slums. It's art, but
Kamal, you have played films like acted in films like Abhay and Veeram, which were not very, very serious films. And you
in comedies because it's serious business. You can't go wrong. I mean, one wrong expression. Actors have to be very careful. I'm not just talking. It's a sports day where a few people are watching it with other designs in mind. And this is about all the alleys and gullies of Bombay come together. And we've done quite a few successful comedies, nationally and regionally.
Every film there's some special effects.
Once that's done, it's a great laugh. Even while we had readings with all the other actors, there was a gig playing his character in Tamil, that was the nation. That man of the sprain on his leg, he got it today, not part of the next of Mr. Vijayaraj.
What is the Any particular reason you cast
I told you, no, because it's very important we have see, I know Omji is a good actor, but knowing that a smaller unit than we usually do, and it needs a family kind of an atmosphere, friendly atmosphere.
A lot of location.
Lot of location.
Just one.
And
It's really wonderful.
Kamal, you are not tempted to take up the direction also?
no.
Itching.
Because, no, not at all. You know, the reason why in this, the script itself, and we can't let it overflow, flow over the brim. And I needed somebody watching me over, especially. And somebody would firmly say, no, we've gone over the edge there, let's stop it. It's such a yeah.
हम लोग जरा प्रेस से बात कर रहे हैं.
पर एक मिनट में एक और रेस लगाओ
नहीं यहाँ नहीं बेटा.
उधर
काम हो उधर.
It's a, triple pronged travel to a scene, which is not confusing to the viewer, but for a scheduling person, it's quite a nightmare.
Invisible.
Cast a good actress like her in your film.
That, we don't need too many good actresses. I'll be wrong.
What about Morganaikom?
This prosthetic makeup can be.
people still remember एक दूजे के लिए सनम तेरी कसम
Yeah, Ilayaraja. He's quite a daring man, but I don't know whether his courage still holds.
But you won't recognize him from the back. इनको आप छुपा नहीं सकते.
Come this side.
एडिट हो रहा था. अरे ये आवाज तो वो वाली है लखनऊ वाली. कभी तो बोला करो बस यार.